Alright guys, let's do a little bit of a masking walkthrough on this guy. I'm going to utilize, this is a tool made by Herafix in Germany. It's got little magnetic feet, so I just stick it to the booth wall. But this basically you just pull down, creates soft edge tape. It's way faster than doing it over my knee. And then obviously I've got my 1.5 inch tape in my tape thing, a little tape caddy. If you guys don't have one of these, I've been using these for 6 or 7 years now. You just slide it in your pocket like so, and then your tape is always on your pocket. I have a razor blade on the top, makes it so nice. Before I go and prep this, I am going to clean it with alcohol cleaner. But I always clean everything with alcohol beforehand. Just helps tape to stick, especially in door jams because they tend to get some greasy stuff in here. And I don't want my soft edge tape to fail and fall off, so just clean it up real good before you tape anything. Alright, so that's clean. We're going to start with just soft edging this opening. I'll show you how I do that. See how easy that is? So many people, oh, I just do it over my knee. You cannot do it that fast and that consistent. Whenever you use this soft edge, it's folded edge tape. You're just going to put it right up to this edge, like so. Get it stuck down real nice and tight. Hopefully I cut enough of this. I think I might be just a touch short. It's better to do it in one big shot, but it's okay. I can link two here at the end. Yeah, I'm only that short, so that's fine. Okay. There. I'm going to take my 1.5 inch tape and I'm going to just basically tape that down, so like this. Make sure it sticks in this corner really nice. Alright, just like that. For here, just roll the 1.5 inch over so it's nice and sticky on that edge. I'm gonna spot seal this little area anyway. And right up over the gasket. I'm gonna just climb up here and go the rest of the way across. Okay. Back window, I'm just shoving it in this gap. Like so. And then I'll just utilize this line here behind the cab quarter. Like that. And don't worry, before I paint this, I'm gonna give this a little bit more of a scuff in this corner. As I mentioned in my last video, I don't get to prep all these cars, so sometimes I just gotta touch it up. All right, that's literally ready to pull plastic. It's that quick and painless. Yeah, this will just give us a nice soft edge, because this, see how it's, some people call it flapper tape, some people call it edge tape. I mean, it's just folded edge tape, flutter tape. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my plastic, pull it over, and we'll cut it out. This apparently is the part where a lot of guys, they don't like plastic. Honestly, so easy. Just pull out a certain length of it, pull it over the car. This stuff does have a certain side that you're supposed to paint. This particular one, you can see it says fast line, and it does say paint this side. If you don't paint the correct side, you will have paint flaking off of it. My young prepper, I noticed the other day, was priming with this plastic backwards, and then he was telling me how much he doesn't like plastic one time. That would be why. So I always start opening it down there. Get this out of the way. Pull a little bit more out. And I'll get this side open before I do the side where I tape. This is 20-foot plastic. I pretty much only use 20-foot. Just keeps it simple there. I do use 16-foot on occasion, but most of the time I just order 20 because it covers trucks, it covers cars. I'd rather have a little bit too much than run out of 20 and then be stuck trying to do a truck with 16-foot, because it's just not quite wide enough for a truck like this. That extra 4 feet actually makes quite a big difference. Keep this open. Luckily I don't have any real sticky spots for this to get stuck when I'm trying to pull it across. You can see, so it's a good gauge. See where the writing is? There, I want it in the middle. Basically the way I do this is I'll float it, if I can get this to work with me. Float it like that. It's gonna get tight. But I'm gonna bow it, or make a little bow in the back here to keep this masking tight. You grab the ends of it and pull it towards the middle, like so. See how it's getting tighter? That's what I want. I want it nice and tight. I'm just twisting it under here. See, nice little tail, your tape. Tie it up. We're gonna do the same thing at the front, then we'll worry about cutting it out. You wanna get this like as tight as you can. And it's gonna get tighter as soon as you turn the booth on, because it'll suck it down to the floor. So it's a lot easier to do this now. Tie it up. Tape around it. Shove that under. And now we can go ahead and cut this out. Obviously with a blade it doesn't take much to slice her. And because this is one big opening, I'm going to do it in sections so I can tape it and it doesn't move. Like so. little bit more. See how it curls back? That's why I do it in sections. And I will tell you, if you get this under too much tension, it will just want to pull your tape off of it. So just be mindful. Because it's also, once this booth gets turned down and starts sucking down, it's going to put some tension on it. So a little bit loose like this is okay. Kind of hard to see up here. All the way on this rail up there. Okay. Corners are always the hardest, so if you stop, okay, then do your corner. Also make sure, so you see how that was trying to pull up, keep checking that as you're spraying. It's like if you need to add a little bit more tape, add more tape. And that pulls up, I mean, it does happen. Okay. Now I can backside. Like that. Okay. Let's see, I'll do the inside of this first. This is one of the easier things to tape, I'll be honest. When I was new to this though, boy did I struggle with like trying to think of how to tape stuff. I used to tell Freddie, you know, this is all that stuff that I kind of just do subconsciously at this point because I've done it so many times that it's hard to explain to people how to do it. So I figure, put you on my noggin and talk it through, I guess. I hope you guys are understanding this. Okay, so this is where it gets tricky, but here's what you can do. Cut this open, and instead of trying to cut a line, I'm just gonna fold it. Yeah, way easier. Still nice and tight, it's just all that excess is folded behind it. It's right here, tape folded. Okay, and that's that part. Now up here, yes, I can't quite see it, but I can feel. So I know where I cut it. Yeah, we're good. Like so. And if you want, I mean, obviously you can get a ladder and get up there, but oh. We're good. All right, so that's all taped up. Now literally all I have to do is go turn the booth on, clean this with wax and grease remover, get my sealer out. I've got to spot seal this little area, seal the fender, seal the front side of this door panel, well, this door, and that's done. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe. I'm gonna, like I said guys, I'm gonna do more videos, just simple walkthrough stuff like this. because I feel like this is where guys that are new get the most benefit, is when you can just ride along for something like this. To me, this is very simple, but I know to somebody that isn't experienced, it can be kind of challenging to even know where to start. So hopefully this video gave you the confidence to just start, you know what I mean? And this soft edge, you're not gonna have a line there. I've seen a lot of guys that they'll hard line up to this and then they have an edge. Don't do that, just fold tape. If you need to do it yourself, you can take 1.5, 3/4, whatever the case, put it over your knee, okay? Start your fold here, like so, and you just pull. See how it's pulling? That's the reason why I don't really care to do it that way. But I mean, you can get certain lengths if you practice. You can get lengths over your knee. You don't need this tool. This tool is fantastic and I use it daily, but you can do it DIY style and do it without the tool. So anyway, again, if you like this video, like, comment, share it with your friends, use it on your projects. Send me some videos. If you guys do this stuff and you learn something here, tag me in it. I love seeing that stuff. So until next time, thanks for watching.